The title of this mini podcast is Wired for Success. I heard an expression on morning TV one day that captured my attention. Wired for success. This phrase is so telling about our habit patterns being the generator of our behavior. We got many of our patterns by accident, through social, cultural, and parental conditioning. Yay for us if we've got productive patterns from our older models. That means our chances for success are greater than those who had less than productive people to learn from. Productive patterns wire us for success. Patterns are the foundation for all that we do. Patterns, per se, don't talk or justify, they just cause us to act. If our actions are producing less than success, we have to examine and work to outgrow our patterns if we expect to change course. Recognition is always the first step in change. When we recognize what we routinely do is not working, we are at the doorstep of discovery with the option of opening that door. But beware, justifying our failures at this point is one of the most self-limiting things we can do. It keeps our wiring plugged into failure. The late Dr. Dave Dobson spoke of this phenomenon many years ago when he referenced a very old telephone switchboard. He said, imagine a call coming in for extension 302 and the operator accidentally plugging the cord into your extension of 203. You're going to get an entirely different message than the one intended. That's the way patterns are. They don't care where they get plugged in. They just deliver their message. If you're receiving messages that don't support your success, you do well to examine what you're plugged into. We are so caught up in the concept that we are what we think that we overlook the reality of we are what we do. Legendary football coach Bill Parcells said it this way, "You are what your record says you are." Justification is a losing strategy. It's a pattern that's not working towards our success. Recognition is the fuse that leads to the explosive device known as action. Whether your house is old or new, it pays to check the fuse box from time to make sure you're wired for success. All the best, John.